In this video, I'm going to show you how you can build a DI opticals list. So this differs from a VFX list in a number of ways. We're just going to include simple opticals that we want to hand to DI, but not complex VFX shots. So the first thing I'll do is grab my sequence, make sure there's no markers or audio, and I'll put a locator on a blank track above the shots that I want to include in the DI opticals list. So I've got 3 shots here that I want to include. There's this, which is a dynamic blow up. There's this shot, which I want to put a stabilize on. And then there's this shot, which also has a dynamic blow up. So to make this easier, I'm going to include only the shots I want in the AAF so we don't pass everything. So I'll just do that by putting them up on their own track, getting rid of everything. I'm sure if you have another way that you like to do this, you can certainly do that. And now I've got my sequence with my shots where they fall in the timeline and locators to help me understand what I want to do. So now I can output this as an AAF. I'll grab this, put it into parser, and wait for it to scan the AAF. Parser has found 3 shots. I'm going to tag the clips with markers only, which it showed me here in a summary. And here I can type in the shot code that I want to include. Because I'm using traditional VFX shot codes, I might want to adjust this slightly so I can ID my DI opticals. For this project, I'm going to use ABC 999 and start at shot 10. Shots in my 999 range, I'm going to understand that these are my DI opticals, and I can still track these in my database if need be. Here are the 3 shots. I'm going to confirm, and now I have my list. The easiest way for me to get this optical list is to download the shots TSV. And I can bring that into a spreadsheet. It's going to tell me the shot, where it starts, where it is in the sequence, and it will give me the keyframes of the effect. I can then send this list and an EDL to my DI, and they can go through and check each shot and its dynamic properties are lining up correctly, whether you're using an AAF or an EDL. So that's how you build a DI optical list.